Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now in its 57th year, the National Dance Theatre Company kicks off today with its new season of dance, and we're joined by Conrad Hall and Marlon Sims, and they're going to tell us all about it. Yeah, because it's something stapled upon the calendar, them saying, so we normally look forward to it and all of that.
Yes.
Plus we have the dancer here, so.
I used to be a part of the National Dance Theatre Company for a moment.
Yes.
Marlon and I actually did a duet together.
Oh. Yes, my dance partner. Yes, my dance partner.
And I did a solo at one point. It was,
Yes, she did. Glorious, glorious. So more of that, and a lot more.
And a lot more.
Yeah,
Okay.
starting this evening at 8.
At 8?
There's a special showing tomorrow at 5 o'clock for children with disabilities. We're so happy about that.
Oh, that's so
Yes.
nice.
And on Sunday, there's a show at 5. So it's really Friday and Saturday at 8 p.m. with the exception of tomorrow,
Right.
where
So
the show's
that's
at
a
5.
one-off.
Right, one-off
All right.
situation.
Right.
And then on Sunday at 5, and we run until August 11.
All
So
right.
with regards to tomorrow's show, can persons with children who didn't know about it, can they still get involved in it, or is it too late?
Well, this is by Digital Foundation, so they have actually reached out
Okay.
to different groups and communities.
So
to
that's
actually-
done. So,
right.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
So for
But
those who don't know,
yeah,
yes,
because I
go
was
into
like,
that.
before we even get into the actual, festivities and all of that, for those who don't know the history or, behind the objectives of this group, can you just share that a little with us so I have a better understanding?
Conrad.
Conrad.
Conrad's like, oh, Marlon? Mr. Sims?
Well, we're in the 57th year, as you heard. It's a company that was founded by Eddie Thomas and Rex Netterford, both great dancers. And I think they just had a vision from then that they wanted to preserve the culture of this beautiful island.
Right.
And that's why I joined this company, because I'm really passionate about the culture of Jamaica.
Okay.
So what we seek to do every year is introduce new works. So, culture is changing, so we introduce new works, but we still bring back the old things.
Right.
And if one year we shouldn't do something like a Gary or a Kumina,
Right.
our
You'll hear about it.
our heads will be on the block.
Yes, you hear about it. Gary is definitely our favorite.
But one of the things that Conrad failed to mention is that it's a group of over 50 persons performing on a voluntary basis.
Oh,
And this has been happening since...
Why are we clapping the voluntary basis? Why are we clapping the people that work for free?
This has been happening since 1962 because coming out of
See here,
independence, there was a search to find a Jamaican identity, to preserve what we have, drawing from our culture. So we have musicians, we have singers, we have dancers, we have creative technicians, we have the board of management and the board of directors who have to ensure that this treasure keeps on going and going and serve generations.
Okay, so what can we expect from this season of dance?
Oh my goodness, I
Take
feel like I
us
should
through
stand. I feel like I should stand and tell you.
It's like, dun, 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 dun.
Well, I will begin by telling that you will see Conrad on stage. He's the music captain.
Yes, sir.
And he has worked extremely hard with the musical director, Dr. Kathy Brown, to create a wonderful suite of songs by Buju Banton.
Ooh, nice.
The arrangement is going to move the audience to new heights.
Right, right.
We're bringing back Kumina. People have been asking for Kumina.
Right.
It's a role that was danced by Professor Netterford. It's back. I can hear the audience responding.
Yeah, we have a
The
few
audience,
drops over there.
aka.
And Blood Canticles. We're also
So we're
showing-
getting with the Gary.
We're not getting ready. We're going to
We're gonna put it on
Right, on
yes.
hold.
On hold for a moment.
on hold for a
I
moment.
understand. Yes.
All right, so let me put you guys to the test. Your favorite Rex Netterford quote and why? We're going to go with first.
Conrad, take it away.
No, well,
like, ooh.
to be honest, I wouldn't be the best person. I actually joined the company a few months after he passed.
Right.
So I didn't get to
So
interact.
they're not drilling
a
what
lot,
he used to
right.
say. As Professor
Conrad,
Rex
what's
used
going
to
on
say.
over there?
Oh my
Mr.
goodness.
Sims.
I thought I've said it a lot. I thought I've been quoted here.
Okay.
But one of the things that has resonated with me was when Professor Netterford said, in his usual tone,
Right.
we are a people of excellence, people of the Caribbean. And he was a firm believer in Caribbean people and Jamaican excellence. And he made you feel as though you could achieve anything. You could be somebody. You are somebody, and you are somebody great, with much to offer to the world, to the Caribbean, and of course to Jamaica. We love that about his message.
You sound like him too now.
No,
So we are people.
we are.
Yes, I love it. Okay, so this is for Marlon. Describe for us your transition from principal dancer to artistic director of the National Dance Theatre Company of Jamaica.
Oh my goodness. I can say it feels like a dream. It feels
Yeah?
like a dream, an unbelievable privilege and an honor, and really quite humbling, because there are persons who hold your feet to the fire to ensure that the quality, the excellence is sustained.
Including me.
Ongoing conversations, but let me tell you something. What makes it remarkable is that I have a wonderful support team. The company has great support. You can see Conrad here. I mean, I called Conrad, I said, Conrad, you need to do this interview with me. He didn't say no. And that's the kind of spirit that's in the company, the spirit of generosity, of giving back to community. And I should tell you that the shows are all for charitable organizations.
Okay, you want to walk us through a few of those?
Oh my goodness, let me tell you.
He's like having a
Come on, I love hearing when
I will tell you.
done for our cause.
All right.
That's wonderful.
Definitely. So, the Council of Voluntary Social Services will be on tonight. Digital Foundation for Children with Disabilities, particularly deaf children, really close to the heart. Dancers Night. So I expect Nisha to be there on
I'll be
Sunday,
there.
yeah,
You
at
can
5.
dance too.
Jam Damas for Special Olympics on July 26th. Grace Kennedy Foundation on July 27. St. Diego Past Youth Association. Her Flow Foundation is on August 3. E for Life. Client community, very special. They're looking at children who have been sexually abused, young ladies in particular. Friends of Hope Institute, Concy Walters Cancer Care Center, and Christ Church.
Okay.
Now, you know, none of this will be possible without our sponsors. We have to big them up, right?
Okay, big them up.
All right, so Victoria Mutual,
Right.
TVJ.
Hey, that sounds like big them. Okay, we can stop now. Yeah. The rest of them.
Nisha,
No,
big
we
up the other
know
one
for
then.
sure that, you know, that's good when you actually have the corporate giants coming up.
Oh yes,
you know.
Jamaica Observer, Water, J. Rainifer Foundation, the Rex Netterford Foundation, and Sagicor.
All right, and tell us quickly, how much are the tickets and where are the outlets?
Well, the outlet is at the Little Theatre. The number is 876-926-6129. You can also log on to our social media. We're on all the platforms at NDTC Jamaica, and you can see the ticket prices. Now they vary because these are different charitable organizations. Right. They have the chance of setting their own ticket prices.
Oh, okay.
So they may go from $2,000 to $3,500 because they may have a gala event. Tonight is a gala, for instance.
Oh,
Okay, beautiful.
what can we expect at the gala? And can persons get ticket right now for even tonight?
Right now, just call the box office at 876-926-6129. Drive down to the theater, knock on the box office window and purchase your ticket, and come to the show this evening at 8 o'clock, cocktails at 7.
So I want to ask you something. You first and then you. And don't be political, Mr. Politician. What is your favorite piece on in the season?
This year, that's easy.
If you say come on,
Journey.
Journey.
He'll be singing.
Oh, you sing it. So it's your piece. Okay, and this is it.
Oh, well,
Just choose one. Don't be a politician.
no,
Just
can I
pick
just,
one.
can I
Don't
choose
be
two?
too
Can I choose two?
Okay, two, yes.
Okay, so I love Professor's Kumina. For me,
Okay.
it's a signature work.
And you were great in it.
Oh, you're
Yes,
so
you were.
kind.
But
Thank
you were,
you.
though.
Thank
You
you.
were.
Thank
No, I
you.
don't like it. You did good.
And Hope Boykin, who is now a 20-year veteran dancer with the Alvin Ailey American Dance Theatre, choreographer new work.
Right.
And will be premiered tonight.
I haven't seen
It's
that.
called Beauty Is. Nisha, what am I thinking about even that piece?
So tell me something. So so is it too late for her to get on
To
the
get in,
train?
I'll jump on today.
No.
It's all right. I'll come tonight.
Nisha is always ready.
Okay.
Always ready.
What would your piece be called, Anisha? Yeah?
The power of a woman and the strength of her back. But come on! That was hard. Come on, guys.
That was actually pretty good.
Thank you.
I'm impressed. I'm impressed.
Thank you so much for joining us on the show. Like I said, 8 p.m. tonight at the Little Theatre. That was just off the top of my head, you see? I'm just saying. Okay, that's it.
Yes, and remember everybody, we know, first of all, we have to give a special shout out to, everybody's on summer now, the kids are on summer holidays, so, they're seeing us, oh, I see you. So big up everybody, especially the kids watching. Yeah, that's really nice. And I mean, you have what, less than 2 months? Well, actually, July is almost over. August is how many days? January, I don't remember. 31 or 30, one of them. You should actually be educating me, but so enjoy it responsibly. Sumfest.
Drive safely.
Yes, please.
Make sure you have your hotel room before you go. It ends late.
I think hotels rooms
Don't
supposed to
try
book
to
out.
sleep at the venue. You cannot.
Try and catch an
Okay?
Airbnb. Actually, yeah.
Airbnb, they're all booked out now. It's too late. Too
Yeah.
late. So yeah, that's our weekend, our roundup.
Yes, that's it. Thanks for tuning in and catch us on Tuesday with much more buzz,
Vibe,
chat,
mix,
Oh,
flex.
that's
We'll
a
see
new
you
one?
guys
Oh,
on
yeah.
Tuesday. Like they say, walk good.